In this video, we'll take a closer look at a ready-to-make project. When you click on a project, you'll get an at-a-glance idea of what it entails, level of difficulty, the time it takes to make, finished size, materials to cut, and any items you might need to complete the project, like glue and ribbon. You'll also get a project description and instructions for printing, cutting, and assembly of the project. Oftentimes, you'll also find links to relevant videos or helpful topics. Pay attention to the list of images and fonts used in a project. Beneath each image thumbnail, ownership is noted. If you don't yet own a piece of content, a price will be displayed. And when you get to the cutting phase, you'll be prompted to purchase it. There are plenty of free projects too, so it's just something to keep in mind. At the bottom of the pop-up, you'll find the Customize and Make It buttons. Clicking Customize will load the project on the canvas so you can personalize the design to your heart's content. Or, if it's already exactly the way you want it, the Make It button will help you do just that. It first takes you to the matte preview screen where the project gets prepped for the cutting magic. But that's getting ahead of ourselves. More to come in a later video.